Hello, this is Master Chineo, and in today's tutorial, you're going to learn how to trim or cut clips using the Movavi Clips app. I'm going to start in the Movavi Clips app to start cutting and trimming videos. After starting the app, I'm going to tap the plus sign. I'm going to tap on video, and I'm going to add the video that I want to edit. I'm going to tap on the video, press add, and then create. So now I'm going to check the video, and if I see a section that I don't want, I'm going to start to make cuts. Like for example here, everything goes wrong. So I'm going to go back to the place where everything started to go wrong. So I'm going to go to this point and I'm going to use the scissors to cut the video in this section. So now I have a cut here. I'm going to keep scrolling the video and I'm going to make another cut where everything goes back on track, like here. I'm going to make another cut. So I have this section that looks good, and then a second section that does not look good. So how am I going to delete this section? I have the beginning at the end. Now I'm going to slide up. I'm going to slide up, and the moment I slide up, that section is gone. I can keep making cuts in the video for sections that I don't want, like this. Again, I'm going to make a cut here, and then I'm going to scroll the video until everything goes back on track, like here. So I have another chunk of video that I made a cut, and this is a section that I don't want either. I already made the cut at the beginning, at the end, with the scissors, and now I'm going to slide up. And that section is gone again. I'm going to keep cutting the video in sections and sliding up the parts or sections that I don't want. Don't forget to save when you finish your project. Now you give it a try.